and maybe they undercut your scenes and they misbehave with you or something. Has that ever happened with you? Yeah.
I try to reason with them. So I have tried to call the concerned person. I have said, why have you done this to me? What was the reason? I need a valid reason because, see, we have shot something which was quite important. That was the reason that I, was on board. And last minute you see that it's not there. And it's just flashes that have come or whatever it is. I said, wow, okay, I was never told about this. Why so? And the reason was something which I also did not expect. And it was something which I still can't understand, but I sort of understood it later on. I said, now what can we do? I mean, it's already out. Now there's no point in crying over spilt milk. Maybe I would have cried for that 1 minute, but then what is the point? I mean, just, you have to accept what it is because it's already out and people have already seen it and, so you can't do anything at the end of the day after it has come out. But if had I known that this was the thing before, probably I would have, I might have just put my foot down saying, then, what was the whole point in shooting this? And